Hi everyone, I'm Michael Lawrence, Marketing Director at Dahua Technology, UK and Ireland at IFSEC 2023. I'm really excited to share with you our stand. I'm going to hand over to Chris shortly to go through each of our booths. Even more excited that we are joined by our Tier 1 distributors at this event, Prima, ADI, Security Dynamics, Mast and PureTech. Showing our latest products and technology behind me. We've got a big video wall showing DSS in some of the screens. We've got WizMine with our AccuPick, we've got our thermal, we've got our ANPR cameras, we've got solar, we've got all the latest kit here. I'm going to hand over to Chris now to talk you through each of the stands. Thank you.
Welcome to IFSEC 2023. It's been another fantastic event here, and with a constant stream of people, constant stream of business coming onto the stand, and of course, as of which, I think once again, we're going to be pulling out all of our best equipment to have one of our best shows again. Okay, so as you can see today, we're over at our WizMine stand. Now, the WizMine cameras have already improved once again. So now, instead of in fact actually just picking one particular AI rule and sticking to it, now these new Ultra AI cameras can actually have two sets of simultaneous AI at the same time. So of course, like now, you can in fact actually do your PPE detection and intrusion detection at the same time. You could do your face detection with your PPE detection. So of course, now we've doubled those features, which means you double the benefits. So here we are at the actual full color stand, and of course these particular cameras, these are our ultra low light cameras, and of course we are definitely talking about the TOC products. So of course, as you see here on the left hand side there, that's the actual 5 series 180 degree, but the new PTZ in the middle is the first of 5 times optical zoom TOC PTZ. So of course in this case here, it has your white light, it's got your infrared, it's got your red and blue, your two-way audio with your siren, and of course to make it even better, it also has auto tracking built into the camera of the device as well. Then you also have the varifocal turret. So of course, as you can see, the turret shape has changed massively. And of course, now you can actually increase your zoom. And then of course, obviously, if your zoom is bigger, then that means your pixels are, clearer. And of course, then you'll be able to see your smart motion detection. And on the end, brand new camera once again, 180 degree TOC camera. So of course, like the whole year is going to be focusing on all AI, and of course, obviously now the bigger field of view. And of course, you can achieve that with a new 180 degree TOC. These ones are the new AI cameras. So these are both 4 megapixels, short range and long range. But of course, all AI is in the camera's head. These cameras, whenever you drive past, and of course they know, if it's a Volvo, if a BMW, so on and so forth. And of course, obviously license plate. Because of the new features, it also has pedestrian intrusion. That of course, if a person is walking where a person certainly shouldn't be, then of course the camera's audio speaker will kick in, and out of all of our products, they in fact actually have the largest sirens out of all. So thermal technology will still in fact actually inspire to be the best for perimeter protection, heat detection, fire detection, and of course these are our newest cameras. So with the 1 series thermal we've had, but that big bullet back there, that's in fact actually our 4 megapixel visual thermal long range perimeter protection device. And of course this one here, this could do this whole hall, and of course be able to see a human go over the line. So let's not forget that Dahua Technology is a complete solution manufacturer. So behind me, we in fact actually have the intercom and access control. The insider is the squares in the top left-hand corner there. And of course, that is our first PoE injected access control module that has the ability to control doors at the same time. Okay, at the display section of the stand, so of course we have digital signage on our left there. In the middle is that interactive panel. And as you can see, it's being put to good use playing games on the device. On the far right hand side, that is our digital signage, and of course the good bit about digital signage, it's all WAN, LAN compatible. I can put a video on that screen over the internet, and then of course just have it upgrade to all of my latest food orders or anything like that. Okay, so we have 2 PTZs on the top of the mast there. So of course one of them, of course, obviously is the Mini Hubble, and of course the Mini Hubble has that 360 degree view with that single detail PTZ. And of course, the good part about that is that if you were to do tripwire intrusion on your 360 degree, it will give the X and Y coordinates to your PTZ of where to look. The other camera, the white one, is the X-band camera. This year, we're going all about the field of view. So that's a 180 degree camera plus PTZ also. Okay, in Innovation Van 2 here, so of course some of the products have been upgraded. A couple of my favorites here, this one here, this big 180 degree. This is a new 32 megapixel camera. It moves at 40 megabits per second. But of course what you would do is you would deploy this for the transportation industry, and of course your digital zoom, and you still have that perfect clarity. Okay, and of course our TOC PTZ, still of course obviously flagship models. Of course obviously all SD6s have auto tracking technology, but of course obviously this one here, if you upset it, then of course you will get the siren and you will get the red and blue light. So I'm over by our eco partner at the moment. This is WebEye, and of course they have a very impressive monitoring platform to monitor the well-being of your network video recorder, making sure all of your events are handled with in a good time with a good response system, and then of course in this case here integrating with years worth of video motion detection events into the actual platform. This is an excellent system to make sure that your MVR is okay. TOA have an excellent system with their microphone and of course their PA system. Crystal clear clarity voices. You can do an audio challenge at any time. Please leave the area. The video wall here is 157 inches, and as you can see it is very detailed with clarity. And of course in this case here with the actual M70 you can do your digital splicing in any video format that you wish.
So thank you very much, Chris, for taking us through each of the booths. It's been really, really informative, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Please, if you've got any questions, get in contact with any of the team or email sales.uk@dahuatech.com. Thank you so much. See you again.